guys, as you know, I'm here at IIM Calcutta for a few days. I'm vlogging around, sharing with you the life at IIM Calcutta, and my objective is to give you a glimpse of what it is like to be at IIM Calcutta, to give you a picture, an idea, so that you can envision yourself being at IIMC. So what I'll be speaking to you now is that there is one of the things which I came to know after speaking to a lot of students over here. Do you know that in your life at IIM Calcutta, there are hardly any surprise quizzes which you will encounter over here? So while at any other IIM, especially at IIMA, at IIM Bangalore, or from IIMU where I am from, there are a lot of surprise quizzes. Students at around 1:30 are always speculating if there is going to be a surprise quiz or not, and there is usually. At IIM Calcutta, there is no such concept of that, and students usually know when a quiz is about to happen, or there is no such academic criteria or an academic component as a surprise quiz. So if this surprise quiz trivia came across as a surprise to you, then do not forget to hit the like, subscribe to the channel, because I'll be sharing with you a lot of such things. And this is probably what my objective is, to give you a glimpse of the life at IIM Calcutta, share with you a few things about the life at IIM Calcutta so that you know about it, so that you can start to envision yourself into it, envision yourself in this life. And I think envisioning and visualizing yourself is one of the biggest things which you can do. I've created a separate video altogether in which I've spoken about that how relaxed the academic life at IIM Calcutta is. I think that is a video which you must watch for sure. It's a very long, detailed vlog on this topic. Thanks a lot and goodbye.